afternoon, traders. Welcome to this update on BTC. So it's a beautiful Saturday afternoon. Right, let's have a look at the profile of this range. So we actually came down to about 107, where we tested it a couple of times and found some support. We have to be careful with this range, this price level of 107. Let's just say 107, yeah. If we do come back down again into this zone, it's not going to look good for BTC, and I expect lower pricing. But saying that, let's see where we are right now. So right now, this is the local range, and we've got the volume profile, and we can see on the volume profile on both sides that we do have a lot of volume in this range. Now we're just fighting or sitting on top of the local POC, and I expect slightly higher prices over this weekend, maybe going into Monday morning. So I have just taken a long trade, taken a couple of long trades in fact. One is going to be more of a swing play, where if we do come back down and take out this long liquidity here, I will be adding to my position. I'm trying to make a two BTC position size, so I'm just slowly scaling into this on low leverage, and I'm actually doing that on BYDFI. So I've just gone into a 0.1 Bitcoin position, and I'm going to put some limit orders in at around about 108, 107 and 106 and 104 and 103, because I don't think we're going to lose 100k. So I am expecting higher pricing. Locally speaking, I've also taken a scalp position, so that's on a bit of a higher leverage, and I've got a liquidation of 95. So this is more of a weekend scalp play, and I'm taking that on KCEX. These are my two favorite exchanges, BYDFI and KCEX. So we do have some imbalances above here that want to sort of fill in, but we have a lot of volume, previous volume in this range as well. We could see higher prices. Now looking on a daily time frame, let me just get rid of this for you. Now there's all these talks about the Fed rate cut, etc., etc. But usually, in my experience, when we do cut rates, we usually have a major sell-off. So we could front run this event, and that's something we need to be careful of. And this is why I've opened some positions. Like I said, I'm in a scalp position. I'm only targeting these highs, but in the longer term, I'm going to be buying in at least 108, 107, 106, 104, and we have a weekly level which I'm gonna go scale in very aggressively should we come down here, which is at 1025, just say 500. So because we do expect higher prices, and we have a lot of liquidity around about 120, 121, and that's where I'll be taking some profits first. And if we do get to 130, 140, like every other YouTuber is saying, then it's okay. I'll be in profit. So those are my trade setups for BTC. There isn't really much for me to add here. I mean, it's a clear uptrend. It's a clear uptrend locally. On the higher time frame, it's a downtrend, but on locally, it's an uptrend. So yeah, that's all I have for BTC. Let's have a quick look at Ethereum. Ethereum is just going sideways here. It could be a okay. Does look like. Let's have a look. Gotta be careful with Ethereum, because sometimes it looks like distribution, but it's accumulation really. Let's have a look. Let's get some ranges, some profiles. So I've just taken a volume profile in the local range, and we are at the volume area low, and we see we keep getting rejected at the point of control. So for Ethereum to be bullish, we really need to get above 4,500, and we can target 5,000, maybe a bit more. So I am going to be looking for a breakout trade on Ethereum. So if we do get some good volume on Ethereum, I will be looking at a breakout trade on Ethereum targeting these highs here and possibly higher. Locally, I'm not interested in Ethereum because I know that if I take a long position here, my stop is going to have to be quite big. I mean, you know, with all that liquidity down there, I'm not going to take a Ethereum trade and have a stop of a $250 when I'm going to go like 10 position in. That's just ridiculous. So yeah, locally I'm not going to be touching Ethereum. I'm only going to be scaling into BTC and taking that other trade. The scalp position. Looking at the order flow on BTC currently, I can see there's a lot of people trying to short this range, but we do have good delta, positive delta, and orders being filled in. I actually got a another feed coming into this, which can show me some iceberg orders, which most people can't see. So this is another reason I did actually take a long position now, and I actually am building a long position for the longer term on BYDFI, as I've just shown you. So if you guys want to learn how to use order flow, I'm using Atos, and I've just done a webinar with 10 people where we done live trading, etc. All 10 people were successful. And if you want to actually sign up for my next event, please contact me in Telegram. You do need a BYDFI account in order to trade. And the webinar is actually free. And I'm only going to do one more run of another 10 to 20 people. And then this webinar will be a paid webinar. Okay, you will need an Atos Pro account as well. The link is in the description for Atos, and the link is in the description below for BYDFI exchange. So yeah, let's have a quick look. I mean, we are low on volume, guys. Come on, we are low on volume. So, but I do expect higher prices. Order flow is giving me the confirmation for that. Coming back to Ethereum, you can see that we are actually breaking the range or the value. We are actually losing the value area low. Yeah, no go. A clear breakout trade with confirmation of order flow. We want to see buy pressure, positive delta would be if we can get above, realistically above 4,500. You could scale into positions here, but I'm not interested in that because of this liquidity that we got over here. With BTC slightly different than Ethereum. Okay. So if you actually want to learn more about trading and how to spot trap traders and profit big, a simple strategy that I did have on YouTube, this is a good video to have a look at. And if you do want a good deposit bonus, there's quite a few sponsors of the exchanges that I have below. My favorite two exchanges is BYDFI. They do great deposit bonus. MEXC is a good exchange. Blofin's a good exchange. And for scalping, I use KCEX. And if you want to you'd have some trading bots active, this is a good exchange as well, FMX. Please remember that if you do want to join the free webinar that's in 2 weeks time for Atos, how to read order flow, how to use that to your advantage, you will need an Atos account, and you need to click on my referral link. It has to be this referral link here, and you need to send me your email address. And you can contact me on this Telegram here, and you will need a BYDFI account with at least $1,000 in there to do active trading. Okay, so that's all I have for you guys. Please remember to follow me on X. I can do with all the support so I can grow this channel and do more videos like learn how to spot trap traders and profit big. Okay, more videos coming. Have a great weekend. Thank you. Goodbye.